Yo, what's up YouTube? It's boy Slick. I want to talk to you about this. It's a little dark. It's 6:52 in the morning, Friday. I'm actually pulling up to the gym, waiting for my friend to get here so we could work out. But since I had some time, I want to talk about the stars in the ceiling. Got this done at ModFX. My boys out there in Houston, hit them up if you guys live out there or take a drive out there. Place is crazy. It's huge, big ass city compared to where I'm from. So it's always a good time. So I just wanted to show you guys what it comes with. It comes with the remote. I guess they just came out with a kit recently. I seen on one of ModFX videos of it's Bluetooth. It's like through your phone now. That's how my DRLs are, which are my headlights, and then the light that goes around my dash trim, that's Bluetooth. My airlift controller, that uses that, but I don't ever use it. I just have a lot of Bluetooth stuff, so I like the remote instead, just because I drop it in the middle of my console and I don't have to worry about losing it. But yet again, you never lose your phone, even though I have. But right now I have it on red, and it's I don't know what you would call it. I guess breathing, because you can see the lights kind of, going in and out. I don't know. I don't fucking know. But anyways, so you could do. So the controller is in the back. It's on the back passenger side. This is 550 lights. I kind of wish I would have went 1,000. I mean, it would have been way brighter, a lot more lights, no gaps. There's gaps and stuff. You can see a little bit of gaps. But the 1,000, that would have been legit. It would have been crazy. So I'm just gonna show you some colors now. So here's white. That's like the Rolls Royce. Blue, green. You saw the red. Yellow, or is that orange? That's orange. Like a teal, I guess. I don't know. Sometimes there's pink. My daughter actually likes the pink and the purple. There's the yellow, turquoise. I don't know, that's just what it looks like to me. That's like a plum. Here's another orange. Different type of green. It's like a forest green. And then the purple. And what you could do is you could play it with your music and all that. You could have it flash, have a little rave going on. Fade. Oh, so that's what I had it on. I had it on fade, just slower. And it goes through all the colors if you want, or you could just keep it at the one color like how you saw in the beginning of the video where it was red. So that's a jump. So it's jumping between all the colors, and another jump a little bit faster. And you could, on this, you could speed it up, slow it down, but this is with the controller. Looks like it's small. I like it just because it's not so big, but I mainly cruise with red or white. That's just the two I like. The reason too is I like my dash. Watch, I'll show you right now. See, my dash is red. So with that being red, and then I have the wind restrictor in the back that says Scat Pack. That I haven't read. Haven't used that in a while, to be honest. I don't remember if it's Bluetooth or if it's a controller. I have to look. It's been that long since I've even turned it on. I think it's a Bluetooth though. Oh no, it is a remote. It is a remote. So let's see. I don't know if it even works. There it is. Oh, the crazy thing about this is, so you can see it changing. See, there's like red. What's crazy is when I turn this on, it turns off my lights. You guys saw it go off. So now I got to get the controller and I got to turn this on now, and now it just changed that. It's weird how that works. I don't know. But anyways, everything's red, you guys get the point. But yeah, I need to figure out how to turn this off now. because it's been a while since I've done this. I don't remember. Oh, it says off. But yeah, see, and then it turned off the lights. It's weird. I don't know. I don't know why it does that, but I have my 2 controllers right here. I'll show you guys. See? 2 controllers right there. I hope that showed. I'm using my phone, as you guys could tell. I didn't bring the camera because I wasn't expecting to make this video, but since I'm waiting for my friend to get to the gym, it is what it is. All right, guys, slick scat. Just want to show you the lights, show you the modes. Hit up ModFX for a kit. They could order you one. I got it from them. I wasn't planning on getting lights, and then they said, hey, we have an extra kit. You're already here, like in Houston. Like, let's install it. So we did. We took out the seats, popped down the liner, and my boy Jay Monet from ModFX is the one that does all this. He poked all the holes. Legit. The boy is creative. He did a Pac-Man one now that it chases like the ghost or whatever the Pac-Man eats and shit. It's pretty sick. All right, guys, slick scat. I'm about to go get this workout in.